In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix SEO Settings. Wix SEO. Let's walk through the built-in SEO setup so you can get found on Google faster and keep everything organized. Start by going to your Wix account and opening My Sites. Choose the site you want to optimize by selecting it from your list. This takes you to your site's dashboard. From the sidebar, open the Marketing section. On the Marketing home screen, look for the prompt that says something like, "Get found in Google search results," by completing a few basic SEO tasks and click it. Then, click Get Started to launch the SEO setup. You'll see a highlighted field where Wix asks for details about your site. Type the information it requests, typically your business or website focus, so the checklist can tailor recommendations to you. Continue to the next screen. Wix now asks how your business serves customers. Choose the option that fits. Either you serve people from a physical location or in a local service area, or your site serves customers nationwide or worldwide and interacts online only. Pick the description that best matches your setup and move forward by clicking Next. Next, you'll define the keywords you want to use in this site's checklist. Type your main keyword phrase and any closely related terms that reflect what you offer. If you want to preview or adjust what's included, open the section labeled, "Which keywords do you want to use in this site's checklist?" Make changes as needed. If you need to revisit a previous screen, use Back. Then proceed by clicking Next. Wix now presents actionable tasks. Start with Add text to the homepage. Make sure your homepage clearly explains who you are, what you do, and where you operate if relevant. Aim for clear, readable text that naturally includes your primary keyword. Next, allow indexing to make your homepage visible in search results. Ensure the indexing toggle is on, so search engines can crawl your site. Then, optimize the site for mobile devices. Open the mobile view and fix any layout issues to ensure text is legible, buttons are tappable, and images scale properly. You'll also see an option to connect this site to a custom domain, which is a premium feature. Connecting a branded domain helps trust and rankings. If you see a prompt labeled "Connect this site to," follow it and complete the connection relevant to your setup. From there, open Step 2. Optimize the site pages for search engines to fine-tune page titles, meta descriptions, headings, and image alt text. Then, Step 3. Keep building on this site's SEO progress, where you'll continue improving content and structure over time. Whenever you need a central place to track tasks, open the SEO Setup checklist to monitor your progress